sister, every daughter, every brother. Love should never leave us gone. She hides the tears behind her smile, praying she'll survive another night. No child should grow up living in fear, listening to screams they should never hear. A home is built with love and care, not fists, not threats, not despair. Real strength is found in self-control. Protecting hearts should be our goal. Stand together, raise your voice. Peace and love must be our choice. Break the silence, make a stand. Healing starts with every hand.
Enough is enough.
No more broken hearts.
Enough is enough.
Let's make a brand new start. Raise your voice for those in pain. Let love and hope rise again. Together we can change the world, one family at a time. Respect is stronger than your pride. Listen before anger decides. Every woman deserves to dream. Every child deserves to sing. Men of courage lead with grace. Show the world a better way. Real kings don't rule with fear. They wipe away another's tears. Hold my hand, we'll rise again. Light will shine through every pain. Justice, healing, hope will grow. Plant the seeds and let love flow.
Enough is enough.
No more silent cries.
Enough is enough.
Let compassion rise. Zimbabwe, Africa, stand as one until the violence is gone. Love is power, peace is strength. Together we'll make a change. Rasta263.